The Krylov Centre, which has prepared a conceptual design for the Storm, is waiting for a nod from India to begin work on a new aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy. The Krylov State Research Centre is expecting to receive an order for development of a new aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy. Yuri Eremin, head of Department for Development of the Military Technical Cooperation Centre, told Tass at the Army 2016 forum. He said the company had developed a conceptual design of the 2300E Storm aircraft carrier. The ship's displacement would be around 95,000 tons. The aviation group will comprise 65 aircraft. The power plant could be nuclear. Additionally, 2 parachute ejector mechanisms are provided on the ship. India and China act as possible foreign partners on this ship. Primarily it is India, and we hope that they will order the 3rd aircraft carrier from us. And there are certain grounds for that, said Eremin. He said experts at the Krylov Centre held a presentation of the Storm for the Indian Navy's commanders in India. The Indian customers certainly have an interest in it, said Eremin, if the project is approved. The Neva Design Bureau is likely to be involved in the project, Eremin said. The Neva Design Bureau is already working with India for servicing of the Vikramaditya aircraft carrier, the former Admiral Gorshkov, and to build the Vikrant aircraft carrier. It was reported earlier that work on the new aircraft carrier, named Vishal, started in India in 2012. It is expected that its displacement will be 65,000 tons, compared to 40,000 tons in Vikrant. The ship can be fitted with a nuclear power plant.